Welcome home to 5138 Longhorn Trail, Florissant, Missouri 63033. This listing is brought to you by Triad Realty Group. As you can see, the home has been well maintained on the outside as well as the inside. Look at the curb appeal. It is a 2-car garage, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a finished basement and some extra updates as well as additions to the home. According to county records, the square footage of the home is 1,284 square feet. The home is tastefully and nicely decorated. There's crown molding and beautiful hardwood floors. Most of the windows have been updated with thermal grade windows. The kitchen has been updated as well with granite countertops as well as a nice beautiful backsplash. The appliances are updated as well. Dining is right outside the kitchen area. More beautiful hardwood floors, and this is the sunroom or family room. Use it as you like. As you can see, tons of space, lots of light, beautiful all the way around. There's a nice ceramic backsplash. The light fixtures have been updated as well. Now let's take a look at the bedrooms. This is one of the 3 bedrooms in the home. More beautiful hardwood floors. This is bedroom 2. You can use it as an office or a kid's room. This is the updated hall bathroom with a nice tub surround. As I mentioned, everything has been updated in this home to make it nice and appealing for the new homeowner. This is the master bedroom. Again, the beautiful hardwood floors, the nice warm colors, and that crown molding. This is the master bathroom with a nice stand-up shower. Again, everything here has been updated. The bathrooms and the rooms are very spacious. All of the upgrades make this house a jewel. One worth taking a look at and writing a contract. As we enter the lower level of the home, also known as the basement, you can see that there's plenty of room for entertaining family and friends. It can be extra living quarters or a man cave, whatever your heart desires. If you see something you like, just let me know. The seller is having a moving sale. The furnace and the water heater have been updated as well. This is the extra closet space that I mentioned. Lots of space for clothing or seasonal items to store away. This is the unfinished part of the basement, still tons of storage for a growing family. The washer and dryer are for sale too. (5138) Longhorn Trail boasts many amenities. It's the perfect space for you to call home. Contact us at Triad Realty Group for more information. This is the back of the home, and as you can see, the yard is perfect for entertaining a family get-together or just out gardening or just enjoying the yard space itself. The fresh green lawn is well maintained and manicured. There is another look at those nicely updated windows. The patio door has been updated as well. Per the seller, the approximate age of the roof is 9 years old. Don't miss the opportunity to call this place home. Real estate taxes for 2020 were $1,949. The MLS ID number is 21048409. The property is located in the Hazelwood School District. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you know someone who's looking for a home, don't forget to share this video.